Naalala ko pa nung bata pa ako, may nakita akong damit na may elephant na nakapangalan Thailand. At dun, tumatak yung bansang Thailand sa akin na hanggang ngayon, gusto kong puntahan at ngayon napuntahan ko na. Kasi pag sinabing Thailand, unang pumapasok sa isip ko is yung elephant. Sapagkat espesyal ang elephant sa bansang Thailand at ito yung next na pupuntahan namin. Tara, samahan nyo kami at ipapakita ko sa inyo ang kagandahan dito sa Thailand. Unang-una sa kanilang mga elephant. Isa itong adventure kasi lahat kami dito hindi pa nakapunta. Hindi pa kabisado ang daan at nagre-rely lang kami sa Google Map. Although may kasama kaming local Thai, pero hindi pa din sila nakapunta sa lugar na ito. Hindi naman kami naligaw, medyo matagal lang ang lakbay kasi hindi namin kabisado ang daan. At malayo din. At dahil sa na-experience na namin ito, hayaan yung magbibigay ako sa inyo ng travel tips and advice para sa inyo upang magamit nyo ito, baka sakaling makatulong to sa inyo kung magbabalak kayong pumunta dito sa Thailand at gustong makakita ng mga elephant. Kasi iba ang lugar na ito compared sa ibang parte ng Thailand. Nandito kami sa Kanchanaburi province at ngayon pupuntahan namin itong lugar kung saan ito yung tinatawag nilang the Elephant's World. Hindi ito galing sa akin na advice. Ito ay mismo sa nag-aalaga ng mga elephant doon at yung mga caretaker sa venue na pupuntahan namin. Ito pala ang tinatawag ng Elephant's World, guys. Medyo malayo talaga, nasa province kami, kaya mahaba din yung nilakbay namin. Kahit naligaw kami pero marami naman kami, 2 sasakyan kami nag-convoy kaya masaya din naman. Medyo remote area sa Thailand kasi ito talaga yung natural habitat nila. Doon mo makikita kung saan pinapaliguan yung mga elephants, makakasalamuha mo sila, maka-close interaction ka sa kanila, pwede mo silang i-feed. Hindi nakakulong at malaya ang mga elephant dito sa lugar. Sa pagkakataong ito, na-excite kami makakita at makahawak, pati na yung anak ko si Aris, kitang-kita ko sa kanyang muka kung yung experience niya first time makakita at makahawak ng elephant. Yes, ito ay sanctuary ng sick, old and rescued elephant. Ibig sabihin, isa itong non-profit and sponsored by the government of Thailand na ang layunin ay alagaan, pagalingin at paramihin ang mga elepante sa Thailand. Pero, nung pagpunta namin doon ay nabigo kami. Wala kaming naabutan na palabas. At wala rin kaming nakitang elephant nung pagpasok namin sa gate. At tapos na ang show. Saan kami nagkamali? Anong nangyayari? Ito ang dapat nyong malaman. Nagbibigay ako ng travel tips and advice based on my personal experience at baka makatulong ito sa inyo para masulit yung paglalakbay at paggala nyo dito sa Thailand. Hindi ko alam kung pang ilang araw na namin to sa Thailand, pero we stayed in Thailand for 2 weeks and every day meron kaming itinerary na i-upload ko na to sa aking social media platform like Facebook Reels, TikTok at ngayon uumpisahan ko naman sa aking YouTube channel kasi mahaba-habang format ito. Kaya kung mahilig ka mag-travel, pwede i-follow nyo na lang din yung page ko or YouTube channel ko.
They're coming from there.
Oh, come here,
Come.
come here, this side. Look at here. Aris, don't! Away!
Ellie, look at the over there. Daddy. See, come on, see.
Aris, come here to daddy!
Train yan.
In the Thai society, elephants have played a substantial role in manual labor, war, royal iconography, and the tourism industry. For thousands of years, elephants were captured and trained to be a form of transportation and heavy labor. When logging in Thailand was still legal, they hauled heavy logs through forest, which in turn gave many Thai people job. In recorded Thai history, during the reign of King Ramkhamhaeng the Great of Sukhothai, Thai used to hunt and trade elephants. Known for their strength and intelligence, elephants were used as war elephants. So parang sa Lord of the Rings, meron silang mga war elephants doon.
Parang kalabaw lang din ba? Parang kalabaw. Hold, Aris, hold. Hold. Yeah. Hey, come here first, come here first.
Dapat daddy, picture na kita
Oh,
daddy.
one at a time. Me. Oh, see. One more. Oh, hurry. Oh, sige, doon na kayo.
Oh, there's another one.
Pero paano nga ba napunta yung mga elephants sa mga sanctuary, sa mga circus? So, dati, yung main source of bread and butter ng bansang Thailand is yung laging. Sa panahong iyon, ginagamit nila yung elephant sa paghaul, paghakot, kasi kilala ang mga elephant sa pagiging malakas at malaki. So, nagiging katuwang nila yung elephant sa paglalaging. Kung sa Pilipinas, mayroon tayong kalabaw sa pagsasaka. Sa Thailand, meron naman silang elephant para sa laging. Pero, noong 1989, laging was banned in Thailand. At dahil nawala na ng trabaho yung mga elephant nila, nilipat na nila sa entertainment, sa circus, at ngayon naging parang iconic symbol na ng Thailand ngayon. Kasi meron na din silang law na pinasa to protect the elephants in Thailand.
Oh, there's no elephant in there na?
No elephant there. Because elephant when we do for the activity, we just put them down near the riverside.
How many elephants here?
13?
30?
Yeah, 13, yes.
13?
130, yeah, 1-3.
For today it's done, and tomorrow
Okay
what
na?
time do you open?
You should be around, if you have them morning, you should be here around 9:30.
9:30 in the morning.
Yeah, and if you have the half day morning program, and you're gonna done with the activities at 12, and then on the price of the activities half day morning. You're gonna it's include the lunch yeah.
We start 9:30.
Yeah.
Tag 200 din kasi yung isa.
Just 200 baht. Just 200 baht.
Huh?
Just 200
Person.
baht per person, right?
No. The activity is not a different price, but
How much the
yeah.
activity? How much you're gonna get?
Can I tell you? Yeah, around. I'm not really sure. Like because of the kids, they are I'm not sure like how many years old they manage the kids. So it's better you ask the office.
Yes.
So they will give you a right information.
Okay.
Yeah. So
we come to
that's
go
why
to the
you have to
toilet.
go. I see they really
let's go
want to
toilet
see
na lang.
elephant, and that's why I took the right things. So it's better go ask in front office, and the office will tell us from walkie-talkie.
Okay.
And then we have to stay by here for you, and then welcome you, and then take you to the right activities.
In the river. Ayun, may elephant pa. Diyan pinaliliguan yung mga elephant pagkatapos ng show in river. That's it. Wala kaming ka-idea talaga.
Environmental exploitation, massive landslide and mudflows led the government to ban logging in Thailand in 1986. This led to almost 70% of domesticated elephants to be out of work, but they still help a large amount of cultural significance in Thailand and were a large part of the locals' livelihood. So, thank you for watching, and if you want to know more about Thailand and saan pumunta, anong galaan, mag-iwan ka lang ng comment and try natin yung sagutan base sa ating nalalaman din. And hope you will subscribe to this channel kasi masaya ako na nakatulong sa inyo. If may mga inquiry pa kayo. Madami pa kaming napuntahan dito sa Thailand guys, pero isa-isahin ko na lang sapagkat mahaba ang kwento ng Thailand. Tsaka marami akong experience dito. So again, thanks for watching. Peace. Bye-bye.